Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage messages control on your Instagram. Maybe you want to manage your messages control on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage messages control on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you will be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you have to scroll down. And you'll see in here how others can interact with you. Below that, you will see Messages and Story Replies. Tap on it. In here, to manage your message controls, simply tap on these message controls. And then in here, you'll see decide whether your message requests go to your chats list or message request folder, or whether to receive them at all. For example, your followers on Instagram. Tap on it so that you can manage it. For example, deliver request to. In here, message request. If you don't want to receive message requests, simply tap on this button and you'll see here this will also turn off requests from other on Instagram. And then in here, simply update the settings. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage message controls on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage message control on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.